Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long that I've not uploaded a video, but today's ride is gonna be a camping ride, camping plus fishing. That's my fishing rod. This is the tank bag, tail bag, few clothes. So I'll be bunking in with Freddy today. Let's see how it goes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. I know it's been long that I've posted a video. It's been almost like 5 or 6 months. A lot of changes in my life. The plan is to reach Igatpuri by 4:30. Oh, why the fuck these guys occupy both lanes? Ooh. Man, I need some coffee. There's a McDonald's a couple of kilometers ahead, so I think I'll stop for coffee at McDonald's. Alright, so first things first, let's get some coffee.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. 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 If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. 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 Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Hey, good morning guys. This is the next day. So right now it's about 7:30. The sun is about to rise from there. And these are the bikes. It's a beautiful secluded spot that we were camping at last night. So we've got a Duke, we've got the Ninja, we've got the Charisma, we've got an RX100, we've got a CBR 650, we've got two Highness, we've got a Himalayan and an X-Pulse. These are the tents that we were camping at last night.
That's Rally B rides.
This is Freddy, biker, Freddy. We've got our boys. Alright, so it's time to leave and just clicking a few pictures before we go. As you can see, it's a total off-road. We've got a CBR 650, a KTM, a Himalayan, a Ninja. Where we were camping is just right down over here. What a beautiful location, guys. Yeah, we are camping just somewhere below.